pressure, but it comes from a cold source way in the northern stretches of the continent, and its wind pattern is pulling a lot of that cold air around that high and right on top of the state line region. That's going to keep our trends very chilly. Average lows are around the mid-40s or thereabouts, and we're going to run a good 10 degrees below that. Not to records, but definitely heavy jackets and sweaters and layers. That will certainly keep you more comfortable first thing in the morning. And even tonight, for that matter, there's not going to be a whole lot of natural warming going on, and the winds will be lighter. So there's less of a wind chill concern, but the lighter the winds are and the clearer the sky is, the colder it can get more rapidly. So that's why there's higher confidence in perhaps widespread frost, even at the coast, and even a period of time, maybe 2 to 4 hours or even more in some outlying areas of a light freeze. Not really enough to cause already, but there is going to be the ongoing chance of northeast wind patterns keeping things dry, while in the high levels of the atmosphere, upper level clouds will start to stream in once again. So ample sunshine, not perfectly sunny like today was, but the clouds will kind of come and go, maybe cast a little filter on the sunlight. And first thing in the morning in areas like in the Swanee Valley, you will start off around 30 to 32. And when the sun comes up, that's when the temperatures will start to climb in areas like Live Oak. So wait until about 10 o'clock before you start seeing more in the way of 40s and maybe a little more comfort. High pressure lingers for the last few days of the week, but the upper pattern will start to support more moisture, which means thicker cloud cover. I'd say nothing too remarkable weather-wise for the end of this week, at least through Friday. Into Saturday, though, that's when we start to tap into deeper moisture and a little more unsettledness coming in from the desert southwest and the plains, and that will drive up rain chances yet again for another weekend, and it does happen to bring in some scattered rain activity by Christmas Eve. Forecast lows for tonight, we're going to be right around 30 degrees. If we had precipitation, it wouldn't all be liquid under these conditions, but that's certainly not in the realm of possibility for tonight. Highs for tomorrow, mid-50s in South Georgia to near 60 in our North Florida regions, and that's the beginning of a slow but steady warming trend. Northeast winds shifting east late for boaters. Wind speeds will decrease a bit, but still occasionally breezy, and seas a little rocky still, 3 to 5 feet on average. The extended forecast shows us getting into the 60s, close to average to close out the work week, going into the Christmas weekend, even warmer as we get close to 70 degrees, but more clouds around, scattered showers Sunday, maybe a bit more widespread on Christmas Day.